All right, so we're looking at computer science. This is Mr. Gincola again here for computer science. We have two different levels. We have a computer science 1, 2, and 3, 4. This course is also offered for both levels at an AP level. Now, most of the time that scares off a couple students thinking that they can't do it. But computer science 1, 2, when you're looking at that AP test, it is usually considered one of the easier tests out there, okay? We do some concepts in there that help relax the testing environment. We actually create programs that can be listed off into the Apple or Google interface. You can develop a program and send it to one of your friends for testing, okay? But what I like about this image right here is it has everything that involves computer science. It is not just being a nerd warrior in the basement of your mama's house, typing away on the keyboard. Computer science is much more beyond that now. Okay, if you have a passion for machine learning, you want to teach a computer to how to play something. Okay, artificial intelligence, robotics, computer science is huge now. Cybersecurity, if you want to get into that, big data, hacking, if you want to know how the internet works and how your phone integrates within there. It's all present right now. Virtual reality, augmented reality. If you want to learn something like that, come and take this computer science course. Okay? So as we progress in here, so let's see, what do we do in here? Okay? It isn't just programming. Okay? It is not just programming. Okay? We go data transmission through phones, computers, and other equipment. We can teach you guys why it's important to make sure to have a VPN probably on your phone when you're out and about. Okay, we'll talk to you about how easy it is for somebody to steal your data and then make sure that you're protected against that. Okay, we go through in a deep dive into lots of different aspects of computer science. Okay, how the internet works and how it affects your life. We also get into 2D sprite design for video games, 3D object design for virtual reality. If you want to learn how to develop virtual reality for HTML, we get into that, okay? If you want to learn how to do a Python script in order to automate parts and pieces on your computer, we can do that. If you want to learn how to take an Arduino board and set it up for robotics and AI development, okay, and actually build a robot that can walk around our room here at Southridge, okay, navigating by itself through there, we can do that, okay? And then the last thing that usually gets a bunch of students is we do Minecraft coding with Java and Python. Okay, we do about a month and a half of that at the end of this year. We should be able to get to it. It's a lot of fun. Okay, it's not just playing Minecraft. We develop a mod for it, and then we implement it on our classroom server, and we get to check it out. Okay, so this is some of the stuff that you see. So there's a robot along with an AI-driven car. That's the Google car, and then along with virtual reality. So what do you get out of this? Like I said, that there is both an advanced placement college credit option for you guys in both the 1, 2, and the 3, 4. The 1, 2 is relatively easy. All you have to do is sit there and do an explore. So you're diving into a 21st century 21st century product, okay, computer product, something that is new and up and coming. And we describe it, we present it, okay? Another part of that project is an explore or a create, and so that's where we actually create a program that does something. It takes in data, transforms it, and outputs it in some other way, okay? And the last thing is a test, which is usually what gets a lot of people over it, and I'll be honest, it's the shortest of all the tests, and it's relatively easy because it's more it's not code dependent, so you're not having to write out code by hand, okay? 3, 4, we get into Java almost exclusively. And that Java is built around the most famous game out there for indie games is Minecraft, okay? We know that it's built and designed in it, it's object-oriented, and it's awesome to sit there and create, okay? This also, as a class, counts as your computer competency credit, okay? Meaning that if you do not want to take computer apps, you don't have to, as long as you pass this class, it counts as your computer apps class. Okay? So you do not have to sit there and go take computer apps if you take computer science. Okay? Now I know some people might be worried about this and whether or not who it is that is really destined for computer science. Anybody is welcome to take this class. You do not have to have a passion about technology. You don't have to have a passion about anything computer related. We will teach you as much as we can about it. Okay? We will teach you as much as we can about it. Okay? Okay? So you do not have to come in already understanding how to ping an IP address across the nation. You don't have to come in with that understanding. We will teach you. Okay? Other credits that you do get is 1.0 occupational ed credit or an elective credit if that's already satisfied. And you can see some of these. So we have some ghosts that students designed up there. Minecraft is there. We have students made the sprites in there for both the star from Super Mario Brothers and Among Us. Okay? So we have some digital art creation in there too. Okay? If you're interested in this, come see Mr. G in C125 or find it within the career and technical education area. Make sure if you are wanting to take the easier of the two courses, sign up for VC Computer Science 1, 2, not 3, 4. All right. We'll see you guys later.